Hi everyone, hope you're having a wonderful day. I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to create, save, and choose as your default custom back the custom branding on the back of a card. So here's what you do when you're in your account in the new send out cards. You basically just choose a card. Now this card does not have to be one that you're actually going to use or be sending. It's just for the fact of creating the custom back. Okay? So I'm just going to choose this particular card right here. And I'm going to hit customize, hit next, and I'm just going to arrow to the back of the card. Now what you do when you're on the back of the card is you go here to the left and you choose layouts. And you'll see my custom brands that are existing show up. Now if I want to create a new one, I can go here to the bottom and hit create new. And watch what happens to my picture over here when I do this. When I change the template, right now it's a full picture, which is this one right here. But if I was to change it to this, see what happens? It just redoes it, where it just fills in the blanks of what's on there currently. Okay? So you can choose this. You can click on here and upload a different picture. Type in text. If you don't want the return addresses to show up, just click on that one and just do the same thing. But I'm going to show you something that I do, which I think makes it really easy, and it does involve a third-party program that is free called Canva. So if you just go to canva.com, canva.com, and set up a free account, when you go into your account, basically what I'm doing is creating a picture that I will have as a full picture on the back of the card versus trying to have these different templates and fit things in and things like that. So I'm just going to click on Flyer. And you'll see when I click on Flyer that it brings up a blank page. If I go to Uploads, these are pictures that I've already uploaded into Canva. I can upload a new picture if I want. But if I go here, and let's just say I wanted to use this particular picture right here. All I have to do is bring it over, and then I can just resize it. And you'll see when I'm here in the middle, see that middle line? This shows that it's perfectly centered, and just leave it right there. Now this is also a great way for you to have a picture. Sometimes when you import a picture and it doesn't resize it and doesn't fit into the picture appropriately, you can go to Canva and just resize it. And I'd recommend in that instance bringing it to the middle before you download it as a JPEG picture, because then it will show up perfectly when you import the picture into your Send Out Cards account. But for the purposes of this custom back, I'm just going to go right here. And then I'm going to click on Text. And I'm going to just click on this one right here. And you'll see it goes right here. And all I have to do is go to the middle and highlight it and just drag it down a little bit. And then it just click on it. And I just type in what I want. I'm just going to have my name, my phone number, and my website. And there you go. You see it's just one picture. I'll click download, and I'll change this from PDF to JPEG and hit download. And what it's going to do is download it to my computer. And you'll see it right here. Now if I click on it, it opens it up. Takes a second here to open up. Maybe I did it too fast. So I will go back here, double click on it. Whoops. Here it is. And all I have to do is go to these three dots and hit Save As. When I hit Save As, I'm just going to save it on my computer. So I'm going to go to Desktop, Pictures, and I'm just going to call it, bring it all the way over here and just call it Steve Back and hit Save. Once I've saved a copy, then I go back over here to my Send Out Cards account. I'll go back here and I'll choose the full picture, grab the picture, upload an image. There it is. Click on it, import it. And you'll notice, there it is, right there, what I created. The very important part before you go to the next screen is you'll go down here and hit Save Layout. And I can go ahead and send that card. But what I'm going to do on this particular card right here is I'm going to close this out, and I'm going to hit Next, which creates my order, and I'm going to cancel the order. Okay? The next time that I go to send a card, let's say I want to make that my default custom back. The next time I do that, and I choose a card, I'll go right here, Customize, Next, and I'll just go straight to the back. Doesn't matter if I'm going to send this card or not. You'll see it's not here, right? But if I click on Layouts, go here to the bottom and say Choose Existing, since I saved that layout, it's my last one. And you'll notice when I click on it, it goes over, but I can also set it as a default. And when I do that, it will be the one that's automatically on the back of my cards in the future. So I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to change it back to the one that I want. But this is how you can create a custom card back in the new send out cards. So hopefully this is very helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.